Hey, this shit here shot by there. Hi, slime dope. That bitch up, break it, that. Finna catch that bitch like, you did. Dope boy, nah, you did. Full of 10s and 5. I got love for the guys, it ain't no question, I'ma ride. Nigga fake it, you ain't gon' shoot it, pussy. Why you clutching your 5? This shit look easy, but it real low ground. Top 300, I say you're dime. Fuck nigga, you ain't got no money, it take you a week to move a zoo. Must be scared to say something to me, you know I'ma blow out the real. I'm in the hood, Dre with the wood. I'm in the cup, eat up my pills. No route, nigga, that's how we live. Who can I trust when shit get real? Gotta get the money, I can't lie, nigga. I do whatever it takes. Plus just drop the load off on me and told me, see how much you can make. Fuck that, I'm on the block, I'm jumping. Keep on working, little nigga, it coming. Break tell me, kiss you dead, I promise on God. You ain't gotta pay me nothing. You the Camille, nigga, that slime word. Stop focusing on these hoes, nigga, and put your grind first. Make more pay than a 9 to 5, so fuck that shit, my nigga, I'm serve. Nigga acting weird, I ain't going for it. Boy, you out here working. Country boy say need a QP jewel. Nigga, I'm on it early. Lil' bitch got some pretty skin, that ass fat. Girl, you curvy. Nigga, don't try to put it, I'ma put holes in your shirts on like a jersey. Stand for something and fall for nothing. You gotta do shit with a purpose. Bend your chest and get you killed. Why what you say popping off the leg? Fuck you, pay me. That what it is. I'm tripping. Serving our granny crib. I'm hustling. Mama, I gotta get it. Spend me a block and go back to the trenches. Ain't by cash, ain't even finna listen. You did. Nigga, I'm on a mission. Me and Frank gon' risk it. Coming through shorter with them bags. I ain't finna do no dissing. In the streets, we on your